The S&P 500 is about 2% away from new record levels. Could we get there on Friday after the jobs report? Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. Max Wolff with 55 Capital. Chris Verrone with Strategas Research Partners. Chris, we had a hell of an ADP number earlier in the week.
Sure.
Do you think the jobs report is going to be good enough to bring us back to new record levels on the broader market indexes?
I'd be a little bit careful trying to trade the data or trade the news right here. This is a market that's really been consolidating for the last 4 or 5 weeks now. I'm just not convinced we're as washed out as we need to be to set a good tradable low. Last week, about 30% of the S&P made a 1-month low. You typically get better washed out conditions when about half the market makes a 1-month low. So I still think it's a little bit early. I want to watch small caps here. I want to watch transports. I want to watch dollar yen and the yield curve. They were among the first things to roll over in March. My guess is they probably have to start outperforming again to get us out of this little funk.
Yeah, and those are going to be the things that potentially will be the signal for the next
Sure.
broader leg up. Max Wolff, what are your thoughts? Does the jobs number, I hate to say does it matter, because it actually hasn't moved the market that much over the past couple of years. It's an important indicator. Is it going to mean anything to the bigger market?
It'll certainly mean one big thing, which is that basically we've seen the actual hard data numbers underperform the expectation numbers. The softer the indicator is, the better it's done. And that's part of the reason we think the leadership rolled over at the beginning of March and that we don't see this market really powering higher unless we have actual success to put against expectations. Probably that means to really motor into new territory, a new record territory, we'd need some kind of tangible forward progress, possibly even success, either on the broader tax bills or on the infrastructure. We just don't see it. We think the market's out in front of its skis. We probably see a little more rotation. We don't see a new catalyst to go higher here, although the jobs numbers might push us up temporarily, and they are worth watching just because they're a hard number as opposed to an expectations-driven number.
Yeah, and those numbers are always made into a big event. We're going to see how many jobs may be created in the U.S. economy. Get your guesses in. Max Wolff and Chris Verrone, thank you very much. And we're watching, Chris, to your point, small caps and some other things. Thank you very much for watching Trading Nation. Folks, I'm Brian Sullivan. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.